Today's chord of the day is E minor major 7. You might be wondering, what? You've got minor and major in the same chord? Yes, this is what it sounds like. It's a really sinister sounding chord. It's kind of like you're in a Bond flick and like the villain's just right there, like right around the corner. Like you could almost hear him just like laughing and going, "Mr. Bond, welcome to my lair." I do a horrible Bond villain, but this has got E, which is the 1. It's got B, which is the 5. It's got D sharp, which is the major 7. And it's got G, which is the minor 3rd, or the flat 3rd. And then it's got B again, which is the 5. So it's got a flat 3rd, which makes it a minor chord, but it's got the major 7, which is the D sharp. So hence the name E minor major 7. There you go. Use it in your next song or not. Okay. See you later.